I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left.
Wagwan apples, welcome back to the channel. So today I'll be doing a St. Patrick look, as you can see from the eyes. So yeah guys, I hope you guys enjoyed. It will be from the Juvias palette. I use one palette and it's a tribe palette. I've used this palette before on my channel, so I'm definitely going to link that video up above. So this is what it looks like. I was pretty excited to try back a look with the tribe palette. Mind you, like, green is a freaking hard color to work with, no joke. So guys, I hope you all enjoyed. Let me know what was your favorite part of this video. Let me know if you love this look, and if you ever try it out, don't forget to tag me on Instagram. I am Candy Apple Momo. So without further ado, let's jump straight into the video.
So to start off, I'll be using the Maybelline Brow Define pencil to shape up my brow, and then I'll be going in with the Hudabeauty concealer to clean up my brows. So I'll be doing an updated brow routine, just so every time I'm doing my makeup I don't have to go through all that hassle and making a videos too lengthy for you guys. Let me know your thoughts. Right now I'll be going in with Witch Hazel, and I love to use this stuff before doing my foundation because it closes the pores, and it's great for acne and it's great for aging. So definitely pick you up one, girl. Now I'll be going in with this primer from Sephora, and it's very moisturizing, and I'd recommend doing that also before applying your foundation, because the more moist your face is, the better it is for the foundation. Now I'm going in with this Ximertracks concealer brush, and I'll be using my Hudabeauty concealer to shape up my brows, make it look more sharp. You know what I'm saying?
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go.
So, like a quick little tip before I get into the video, I don't want to leave this point out and then when I'm voice recording I forget it. So when you're doing your brows, like if your brows are grown out, like mine is right now, but you can't tell at the moment, what you want to do is you would fill it in with your pencil, and I'm using the Maybelline Brow Define Plus Fill Duo, and you just fill it out to how much it has grown out. And then after that, when you're concealing now, this is where the art comes in. You would conceal the heck out of it, and just to let it look like, define it to let it look like it has been shaved. Because right now if you look at my brow, you can't tell that I'm due for a shave or what, or shreds this. Okay.
So I'll be going in with the third shade in the third row of the Tribe palette, and I'm just going to pack that on above the crease and blend it out. I'm also using the e.l.f. blending brush to blend this out.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures.
The reality of makeup kicking in. So, green is a freaking hard color to work with. Period. Guys, I felt like after doing this, I did a whole arm workout. That's how I feel. So now I'm going in and I'm going to cut my crease. I said I wasn't gonna do a cut crease, but oh well. I'm going to do a half cut crease and a full cut crease. So I am going to just start connecting dots right like so. I told you guys I've been doing this technique lately and I kind of like it now. When I just started it, it was a bummer. I'm still not perfect at it, but it's getting better. And I kind of think that's what I kind of love about myself. I kind of like to challenge myself. So if I can't do something, I try to challenge myself. A wipe. Any wipes. And I'm going to clean the green off a little so I can get a cleaner surface to work with. And with just the concealer, the eyeshadow will pop some more. I actually should have done it before I actually started cutting the crease, but oh well. I didn't realize, I didn't remember. So why not still do it as long as I'm not messing up my crease. So now I'm just going to fill in the crease that I cut.
The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again.
So now I'll be going in with the last shades in the second and the third row of the tri-palette, and I will be packing those on the crease.
The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
This eyeliner is from Maybelline, and I'll be using Ecotools as the brush to line my eyes.
The Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights. pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. It's the Stockholm lights.
For foundation, I use Hudabeauty and Fenty Beauty. In Hudabeauty, I use the shade Gingerbread, and in Fenty Beauty, I use Toasted Almond. And I mix them together and apply it all over my face.
The world is God in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's gonna bring it home to me again.
So I then went in with my MAC concealer brush and my Huda Beauty concealer for my forehead, the bridge of my nose, on my eye, on my chin. You know the do, guys. You know the do.
Take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. But when I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
So for all my real OG, you already know what I'm using right here. I'm using the Sacha Buttercup setting powder. Yes, guys, I'm still using it. I might switch over to the Laura Mercier, whatever the heck that is. Laura Mercier, I can call her. Probably I have list on whatever. Setting powder. For contour, I use the Maybelline Contour and Highlight palette, and I also use the highlight from that palette.
A pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back. It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we lack. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Highlighting with the same Maybelline highlight and contour palette. It's like a gold undertone highlighter. I love it so much.
light. Oh, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday, your picture's
The
gonna
pencil
bring it
that I'll be
home to
using
me
to line
again.
my lip is from the drugstore, of course, and also the lip gloss. So for my nude lip right now, I'm using a brown pencil and just a simple glitter lip gloss, and I love that look.
The world is waiting up. The world is waiting, half a step beyond our door.
Right now, I'm going in with a Fenty Beauty Stunner lipstick. I love this lipstick so freaking much. And I just love to give you guys options for all my extra girls out there that's tired of the simple look or the simple lip. Like, when you do bold eyes, you do nude lips. If you do nude eyes, you do bold lips. So this is for my girls that are just super bold. Don't give a rat's ass still about anything. You just want to be free. You just want to be you. So I'm just going to insert 2 pictures above. If you prefer the simple look more, comment simple below along with your regular comment. Of course, don't play with me, guys. And if you love bold, of course, put bold down below. Go, guys, get those fingers working.